Hi to you all, it's Tash Tyres. I've got a Mercedes C-Class, just doing the brake light bulb on this, but before I do that I'm going to show you which one it is. Could you switch the ignition and press the brakes please? Thank you. As you can see, this one here is working. Got it again? This one's working, that one's working, this one isn't. It's a 382 bulb. He's going to show you how it's done. Let's go, let go of the brake please. Brake shoulder. Yep, thank you. Now if you come round, on the back here you've got a plug. Let me just get a light. Now if you look on the back here, that's the plug there. What you do, you push in, pull the plug out. Once you've taken the plug out, then you got this little screw here. You turn it either whichever way it opens up, then the whole thing slots out. Then pull this back a little. Once you pulled it back, you gently take the whole thing out, take the cluster out. Now this is the bulb that needs doing. It's a single filament bulb. I've got the new one here, which is a 382. That's the bulb you need. Single filament. That's the new one there. Put the new one in. Same thing again. You slot it back in. Make sure you slot the top one in first, and then you line it up with the bulb holes on the inside, as you'd see. Push this out a little, gently. Don't want to break it. It is quite a fiddly job, but that's it. That's all in. And then turn that to your right. Plug it back in. We're just going to see if it's working. If you could press the brakes for us again, please. Switch the ignition on first. And you can see both of them are working, even the middle one. Press again, please. Now all three of them are working. That's all you got to do. But if you've got any more lights on in the same cluster, change the bulbs while you can. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye.